Here is a wonderful 2022 Ford F-150. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This rugged F-150 is ready for work, off-roading, or a little R&R. Military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give this full-size pickup the advantage of being both light and strong, so much so that it delivers class-leading towing and payload capabilities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, all-wheel drive, navigation system, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, iPod, MP3 input, heated mirrors, power passenger seat. Feel the satisfaction that comes from reaching a higher level of productivity in this F-150. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.